In this class, now I am going to explain you G Advanced 2023 paper 2 question. This question is from complex numbers. See that question. There is a one circle of radius 2 units and a regular octagon which is inscribed in a circle, and they mentioned vertices of regular octagon as A1, A2, A3 and so on A8, and also they mentioned P is any one point on the circumference of a circle. Then what is the maximum value of PA1 into PA2 into PA3 and so on PA8? This is the question. Now let us see the solution for that question. See, consider an organed plane x dash y dash. This is organed plane. Now draw a circle of radius 2 units having center as origin, and take any 8 points on the circumference of a circle. Let it be A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7, A8. Now connect this 8 points so that you will get a octagon, that is a regular octagon as per the given problem. Now you got 8 sides. If you want, count them: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And write the coordinates of A1. You will get 2, 0 because they mentioned the radius of the circle is 2 units. Hence coordinates of A1 2, 0. Now if you want to connect A2, A3 already connected, A4, A6, A8. So this angle is 45 degrees. Argument of this complex number is 45 degrees because here if you complete one rotation, then we rotate 360 degrees angle, and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 angles are there around the origin in this 8 triangles. All those angles are equal. Yeah, this is 45 na? This will be also 45, 45, 45. All will be equal. Okay, divide 360 by 8 because here 8 triangles are formed. So divide 360 by 8, which is equal to 45 degrees. So this is 45 degrees angle. Now here it is 2, 0. Now can you tell me the coordinates of A2? Polar form of a point. You know, r cos theta, r sin theta. R cos theta, r sin theta. R means r. R means what? Radius, which is given as 2 units. Now theta is 45 degrees. So here what you have to write? 2 cos 45, 2 sin 45. You know students, Euler equation e power I sin theta, which is equal to cos theta plus I sin theta. Now this is real part, this is imaginary part. So here also you have to write 2 cos theta, 2 sin theta because here magnitude is 1. Okay students, how much far away from origin to here? 2 units. Hence you have to write here 2 cos theta, 2 sin theta. Okay, let us take this one as alpha. Now put your argument value over here, then it will become e power I 45. You can write like this. So here cos 45 plus I sin 45. So here how much do you get? So if you treat this as alpha, then it will become 2 alpha. You better to write like that. Okay, to get the solution of this problem, not required to write the vertices. Just simply you take as 2 alpha. What is alpha? Cos theta plus I sin theta. Here theta is 45. When you go to this Here 90 degrees. So what is the argument of this A3? 90 degrees. So you can write it as 2 alpha square. This is alpha. For this apply the De Moivre theorem and multiply with 2, you get A3 coordinates. In the same manner, A4, 2 alpha cube. And here 2 alpha power 4, like 2 alpha power 5, 2 alpha power 6, 2 alpha power 7. You got the coordinates of A1, A2, A3 till A8. Here alpha is this much. Okay students, here alpha equal to e power I pi by 2 you can take. Now here 2 alpha square if you do, you get this. 2 alpha cube if you do, this you will get. You know the De Moivre theorem. You can apply to this to get these vertices. But to get the answer of this question, not required to write all these vertices. Okay, so you can remember like that. Not required to simplify exact values. Just think like that. So this point is here 2 comma 0. This is 2 alpha. This is 2 alpha square, like that. So when you know, okay, this is Z1, Z2, Z3 and all. See, this can be written. Here 8 vertices are there. Z power 8 minus 2 power 8. You can write as, see, what are the roots of this? See, this can be written Z minus 2. And the second one, Z minus this 2 alpha. Actually here Z, this is Z1, this is Z2. But Z2 is 2 alpha. Z minus A1, Z minus A2, Z minus A3. Okay students, here it is. An 8th degree polynomial. I am factorizing it. So, Z minus 2 alpha square and so on. Z minus 2 alpha power 7 you will get. Now apply magnitude on both sides. Because, see here, Z is a locus point. Take that locus point anywhere. Here, they said no in the problem itself. P is any one point on the circumference of the circle. Then find the magnitude of or maximum value of P of A1 into P of A2 into P of A3 and so on, P of A7. We require to find product of all this. Okay students, now take the magnitude on both sides. If you take magnitude on both sides, your magnitude of Z power 8 minus Z power 8 minus 2 power 8, which is equal to, you know, mod of Z1 into Z2 can be written as mod Z1 into mod Z2. If you apply this formula, so this is going to be written as Z minus 2, Z minus 2 alpha and so on, Z minus 2 alpha power 7. Okay students, I hope you have understood till here. So what is Z minus 2? PA1. The distance from P to A1 is Z minus 2. Z means x plus Iy. Locus point I have taken on the circumference of the circle. So this is going to be PA2 and so on PA7. So whose maximum value is how much means, so yeah, this much. So you know Z power 8 minus 2 power 8 is less than or equal to mod Z power 8 plus mod 2 power 8. This you have read. Mod of Z1 minus Z2 is less than or equal to mod Z1 plus mod Z2. I applied this formula for this. Okay? Right. Now in place of this, what do you write? You can write on equating this one equals 0 because this is an equation. So 2 power 8 is one of the, see, students, Z power 8 on equating this one equals 0, Z power 8 you will get as 2 power 8. In place of this you can write 2 power 8 and this is 2 power 8. So now 2 power 8 plus 2 power 8 you can write as 2 power 9. Add both of them, one more 2 will come, 2 into 2 power 8, 2 power 9. This is nothing but 512. So this is the maximum value of this. If you factorize it, you will get like this. I took magnitude on both sides because I want the maximum value of P of A1, P of A2, P of A3 and so on, P of A7. So that result would be 512. Okay students, I hope you have understood my explanation. Thank you students. Kindly I am requesting you to subscribe, like and share my channel so that my classes reaches to many people. If you have any doubts, please contact me through my phone numbers which I have posted in my channel. Thank you one and all.